There were also sparks flying in downtown Victoria tonight, but not because of a fire. The Canadian Association of Petroleum Producers invited delegates from the Union of BC Municipalities Convention to a reception to ask questions about the industry. But they weren't the only ones who showed up.
Come join our event, guys.
More than 100 protesters rolled out the red carpet to greet the delegates at the Royal BC Museum. Protesters against big oil invited the mayors and council members to join them and discuss pipeline and tanker issues before a crucial vote at the UBCM later this week.
They're actually voting on it in the next couple of days, a resolution called Resolution A8, and it's to put a ban on any future projects that would increase tanker traffic in BC. And so we're here to support councillors and try to encourage them to vote in favor of that resolution this week.
Petroleum producers say both sides of the debate should be heard and more education is needed.
Oil exports can be managed safely, that we need to make choices of what we do with our resources, that how we develop our economy and what benefits we bring to our communities, that these are choices for Canadians to make and we need to make them intelligently.
Earlier today, 5 environmental groups opposed to the Northern Gateway pipeline project filed a lawsuit in hopes of derailing the pipeline. They argue the federal government is withholding information on species at risk, including Pacific humpback whales, the white sturgeon, and mountain caribou. Key information they say could kill the project.